Okay, so quite a few people have asked me to kind of explain what our little mine is about and the actual gold and how it's made, where it comes from, source of it. This little interesting specimen, I can explain quite a bit on what's going on. So if you're looking at the vein in the ground, standing on the edge of the pit looking down, you would look down and you would see more or less the vein like this with a black shell on both sides of the vein. And there's this particular piece, there's a little amethyst vug there in the middle. You can see some terminated crystals there in the middle. Kind of not too dark, kind of a pinkish purple. Here we have gold pocketing up here. This comes in from the west side of the vein. Pockets up here on what's known as the footwall, the low side of the vein. This is the specimen people were joking about. Looks like some kind of skull. Well, maybe. Anyway, here we go. This gold is around 850 fine in purity. You can see the little dark dots in the quartz here. Those are the ends of the crystals that are pointing inward. When I ground it and polished it, you're actually seeing the crystals on the flat ends. The terminated points go toward the middle, inside the specimen. And this is the east side of the vein, which would be the hanging wall. A vein that sits in the ground like this, the high side is referred to the hanging wall. The low side is referred to the footwall. There's a little bit of brecciated shell. That's generally the color of the shell that comes in this country. This mine is in Humboldt County, Nevada, near Winnemucca. You can see the terminated crystals kind of interlocking there. All quartz used to be, for you novices, used to be hot water, boiling hot water. Used to come up in cracks, boiling hot, carrying gold in solution. At certain points in the cracks in the shell, certain places, gold would pull up for one reason or another. It's usually a bend or a break or some stoppage point. Gold would pocket up. When it's slowed down, the hot water action slows down, allows the gold to more or less coagulate together, pocket up. These we call contacts or intercepts. Sometimes where quartz veins crisscross, the hot water action cancels itself out, allows gold to accumulate at that point. Either a sharp bend in the vein or something that blocks the vein for some reason, maybe some kind of a fault or uplift or a break in a fault can cause gold to accumulate. One good thing to look for when you're looking for gold are the fault lines. If they've uplifted enough to carry these veins outward and you have enough erosion to get access to gold. Anyway, you're probably sick of looking at this. Just show you how long a piece this is. Something in that range there. 3 inches. Something to that effect. Give you an idea of size. also show you what this does. Pinpointer. We use the pinpointer when we're mining. When we're pulling back the shell, we use a pinpointer. We also use a gold bug too. Pinpoint these little pockets of gold. Okay, so you're probably sick of looking at this one. Let's see what else we got for you.